And done with work. Sheesh. 13-hour day, 400 miles. Let me verify, log out. Let me offload all my stuff into my car. My coworker just picked up that car for $3,000, he said. And it was a carbon fiber hood and he primered it. I don't know why he did that. But yeah, so clear this for, I'll leave that on. Nobody works tonight, so be ready for tomorrow. I do paperwork and then I'll be out of here. So about 13 and a half hours today. So, all right, let me go, and I gotta wash my hands. I'm all dirty. So we're gonna go, or I'm gonna go to my dad's, check on them, drop off the oil, and then I'm going to Joanne Fabric in Stockton, and we're gonna get some fabric for the back. I'll explain. All right, so the plan is to get fabric for this. Gonna cover those, and not sure. I want to go with the Asian theme. Might do red. Keep those black and then fade into red to do the. I still gotta do the back table. There's a lot of things I gotta do. But yeah, so we're gonna get fabric for this. Like I'll measure this with my iPhone so I can get the correct yardage, and then get the material if they have it. Car's warming up. Let me go load up the trunk. Still gotta cut out some cardboard and do the measurements. I'm gonna remove this. I got the new center console coming in. I'm gonna extend this to go to the console and close this off. So I just gotta make everything out of cardboard so I can cut it, and I'll end up cutting this section out, tuck this in the foam, put a plate in here for an ashtray. So I'm gonna work off of this. That's just a platform. That's not gonna how it's gonna stay. But yeah, all right, let me go load up. So the store is closing. It's 30 to 70% off fabric. Trying to find that fabric I'm looking for. Look for the Asian theme. See if I got it. Cool. We had one with cranes. That's actually pretty dope. Might go with that. I got a whole bunch of it. Alright, let me go keep searching. Alright, so I went to Daiso. Got a sun visor because that one is done. This one has the suction cups. I can throw this on there. Perfect. So we got that, and then I found fabric. Last one, 2 yards. And then I got the spray can because I'm gonna spray paint the bumper. So I just gotta go get the paint, and then $26.67. So where are the prices on here? So this was 2 yards, $14.99. Discount was supposed to be $20, and then the spray gun $6.99 with discount $3.50. So 8, 9, 10, 11. Save $12, 12 and some change. So that's what we're going to be using in the back. And that is, what is this marking? Or is it in the front? But yeah, so I got my new sun visor. I can throw that one away now because that one's pretty bad. And this is the one I was looking for. Perfect. Because I have a shift boot that's coming. I'm going to do a red with a black style that goes here to basically cover the automatic. But yeah, we are set, guys. Hell yeah. This is going to be fun wrapping that. So, all right, to the house. and then I'll call it a day. So this is the shift boot I'm going to use. I was going to put the Celica shifter on, but I'm going to just cut this. I'll have to resew it, and then I have an add-on that goes over it. And then still have the carbon fiber hood. I need to swap that on so I can put that grill or the eyelid, and I gotta put these headlights on. These leather interiors are actually going in Benny's TRD build. I still gotta put the yellow intake in, but I need the breather. I don't want to put another 90 on there. So dogs, we're babysitting. And what else do I have? Damn, I got hella shit. These are all XB parts. I still have these fenders with the vents in it. I need to restore, like I said. I'm trying to get everything ready. But yeah, so it's currently Thursday night. I'm not gonna be able to do anything until the weekend on my day off. So I'm just kind of just gonna be a couple days in a video. But yeah, so gotta rewire these. Put these on. I gotta re-clean these. These are pretty bad. And I wanted to do like a light blue tint to them. Give it a luxury look. And then gotta rewire that. And then I have hella wiring. Hella like LED lights I need to install. And then I have this pulley still. I got a lot of work and I only have one day to do everything. So pretty much all XB TRD parts here. Like everything is just everywhere. And then yeah, so I still gotta wire this switch. I have the other fog light switch I need to do wiring, but I'm gonna be doing wiring videos after the show just because that'll be the next thing. I need to stop being so scared and just do wiring. So I've been trying to buy all the parts to do wiring and then be ready, because can't be chicken shit basically, because this intimidates me, just seeing these wires like that. Oh, excuse me. So, and I need to put the LED light strip for here. I have LED lights for inside the car. I have underglow. I've been just kind of letting it sit until I can kind of get everything going. And then also I still have that console. So, and I got those fog lights I need to install, and those F-Sport exhaust tips when I do the bumper. Like, I'm collecting everything so I can start making videos. I got my vlogging camera, but I'm missing a piece off of it. So I'm trying to get everything going. But eventually we will get there. So, and I still got to put in the other camera light or rear mounting camera. So a lot of wiring got to go into it. I have speakers coming in that I'll be mounting in the, it's a lot. Boy, it's a lot, but we'll get there. I might have to get some help from most likely be like my electrical buddies, and I still got to put in the subwoofer. Like, there's a lot, but we'll get there. So I'm gonna cut this video short actually, just so it's not going on for a long time, and then we'll go back into it and finish up the wrap or this material. So we'll finish this up and then we'll install this weekend if I have time. So, alright guys, see you in the next video.